Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in the online computer class. Today, we are going to start chapter 3, Handling Images in HTML. It is truly said that a picture is better than 1,000 words. Pictures or images attract majority of persons and convey an important message to the audience. Children, now let us learn to add images in our web page. Images are added to a web page using the img tag in HTML. For example, this HTML code listing, when executed, displays an image of a school in the browser window. Now, this statement uses src attribute to add an image called school.jpg. This image element, that is img, does not cause a line break, means the cursor doesn't go on the next line after inserting the said image. So img element is known as an inline element, I-N-L-I-N-E, inline element. The src attribute provides the image as well as its location, that is, in which place or folder to find the image. The image file specified should have a proper image format such as .jpg or .bmp or .gif or .tiff. img tag is called as an empty tag. Now let us study HTML code listing for adding multiple images to a web page. Children, this is Notepad. In Notepad, the first statement is HTML start, then head start, title start, my favorite food, end of title tag, end of head tag. So this my favorite food is displayed in the title bar in the browser window like this. Now next one, start of body tag, start of h1 tag, and in italics, my favorite food. So this words my favorite food is written using h1, that is heading 1 tag, and in italics in the browser window. Here it is, my favorite food, using h1 tag and italics tag. Now next one is using heading 2 and in underline what the word chocolate is written. So here in the browser window you will find chocolates is written using heading 2 and it is underlined. Now next one is start of paragraph. An image of chocolates.jpg is inserted using src attribute. This src attributes consists of the location and the image file name. This is image file name chocolates.jpg and this is the location. So here you can see in the browser window that image of chocolates is displayed. Now next one, using font size is 8 and font color is red and in bold letters, these two lines are displayed. Chocolates are best for improving our mood. Then line break. But do not forget to clean your teeth after having chocolates. So we can see in browser window that this both lines are written with font size is 8 and font color as red and in bold letters. Now since img tag is an inline tag, so it doesn't cause a line break. So after displaying the image of chocolates, this line starts from wherever the image gets over. Now next one, paragraph tag complete. Now heading 2, underline this ice creams word is written using heading 2 and it is underlined. So let us see in browser window. Ice creams written using heading 2 and it is underlined. Now next one in notepad, a paragraph text starts, then one image is inserted. Image of ice creams.jpg, and this is the location of that image, and this is the file name of the image. So you can see in browser window that ice creams image is inserted. Now next, after that, with font size 8 and color as red and in bold, ice creams are very yummy and cool. This line appears in the browser window. Ice creams are very yummy and cool using font size as 8 and font color as red. And since IMG is an inline tag, so after displaying the image of ice creams, this line starts from wherever the image gets over. This end of paragraph tag, end of body tag, and end of HTML. The IMG tag consists of various attributes. First one is the SRC attribute. This SRC attribute we have already studied. It provides the image as well as its location. Now in this example, in SRC attribute, chocolates.jpg is the image file name, and starting from C drive, C:\users /HP /desktop /10th computer. This is the location of chocolates.jpg image file. Now next one is the alt attribute. The alt attribute, that is alternate attribute, describes about the image. It is used because if the browser does not display the image for some reason, then the viewer of the website will at least know what to expect as a picture. This HTML code listing states that school.jpg image file is to be displayed in the browser window with the heading My School. So here it is displayed in the browser window. Now we will remove school.jpg file from the computer and then see what happens. After removing school.jpg image file, instead of image, alternative description, this is my school, is printed. Here you can see in this browser window. Below the heading, My School. The third attribute of image tag is the height and width attribute. The height and width attribute specifies the height and width of the image in pixels. The height attribute specifies how tall the image should appear on the page, whereas the width attribute specifies how wide the image should appear on the page. This is the HTML code listing for trial of height and width attribute. This statement displays the image school.jpg in normal size, while this statement displays the image school.jpg with height as 240 pixels and width as 180 pixels. Now let us see the output of that HTML code in browser window. This school is displayed with its original size, whereas this school is displayed with height as 240 pixels and width as 180 pixels. The fourth attribute of image tag is the align attribute. The align attribute is used to align the image within the page. The align attribute can take one of the following values: top, middle, bottom, left, right. This HTML code shows what happens when the value of align attribute is top. In the browser window, the image is aligned at the top of the current line of text. This HTML code shows when the value of align is middle. Then the image is aligned in such a way that the middle of the image appears at the current text. This HTML code shows what happens when the value of align is bottom. Then the bottom of the image is aligned with the baseline of the current line of text. When the value of align is left, the image is aligned to the left side of the browser window. When the value of align is right, then the image is aligned to the right side of the browser window. So today we studied how to insert images on web page. We also studied various attributes of image tag. Next time we will study some more attributes of image tag. Thank you. Have a good day.